Hello everyone, welcome back to PooLin's channel. This is Sean, and today I'll be showing you about the sewing interface, our PooLin EOC03 2IN1 machine. First, let's take a look at the buttons on the left side of the screen. This is the needle up and down button. Press it once, and the needle will move down to its lowest position. Press it again, and the needle will return to the highest position. This is the scissors button. Press it once to trim the thread. This is the speed control slider. Slide it to the right to increase the sewing speed. This button is for starting forward sewing, and this one is for starting reverse sewing. Next, let's look at the buttons at the bottom of the screen. This is the back button. These are the left and right page buttons. This is the positioning and tracing button in embroidery mode. This is the Wi-Fi setting button. And this is the lock button. Remove the embroidery unit and switch to the sewing interface. Here you will see 5 different stitch categories. General stitches for J, overlock stitches for G, buttonhole stitches for A, button sewing stitches for M, and personal stitches. Different stitches requires using the matching presser foot. You can use the left and right page buttons at the bottom of the screen to browse and select more stitches. For this demonstration, we will choose the commonly used J11 stitch from the general stitch category. Here, we can switch between single needle and twin needle modes. Tap parameter settings to adjust the stitch parameters. Tap the minus button to move to the left, and tap the plus button and move to the right. The widths adjust the stitch width, and the lengths adjust the stitch length. Tap Reset to restore the default settings. This option allows you to mirror the stitch. In addition, sewing stitches can be combined. Tap Combine to start combining stitches. Then select the stitches you want to combine and tap Save. Once saved, your combined stitch will be stored under Personal Stitches, and you can find it there anytime. If you accidentally select the wrong stitches and create an incorrect combination, you can tap Parameter Settings and then tap Delete to remove the last combined stitch. You can also go directly into Personal Stitches, tap Delete, select the stitch you want to remove, and delete it directly. Now that you are familiar with the sewing interface and the stitch settings, you can start customizing your stitches to match different sewing projects. In the next part, we will move on to the stitch functions and presser foot replacement. So, see you in the next video.